In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and create templates in Gmail. Harnessing the power of email templates can significantly streamline your communication process. Whether you're sending routine updates or crafting personalized messages for multiple recipients, templates save you time and effort. Let's dive right in and explore how to set this up in your Gmail account. First, head over to your Gmail and look at the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to find a familiar gear icon there, which is your settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you'll want to select See All Settings to bring up the full menu of settings options. Now that you're in the settings menu, navigate to the tab labelled Advanced. Clicking on Advanced will display several features that you can enable or disable. Here you will find the Templates option. This feature needs to be active for us to create and save email templates, so make sure to click on Enable next to the Templates option. With that done, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to ensure your settings are updated. It's a crucial step, otherwise your templates might not activate properly. After the changes are saved, you're ready to start creating your template. Begin by clicking the Compose button to open up a new email draft. This is where you'll type out the content you wish to save as a template. Be as detailed as necessary with the subject and body, including any formatting or placeholders you might need. Once your draft is ready, look to the lower right hand side of the Compose window where you'll see three little dots. Click on these. This will bring up additional options, and you'll want to hover over the Templates section. This menu allows you to save your current draft as a template. Hover over Save Draft as Template, and you will have the choice to save as new template. Click on that option. A prompt will appear asking you to name your template. Use a name that you'll easily recognize later, especially if you plan on having multiple templates for different purposes. Finally, hit Save, and congratulations, you've just created your first Gmail template. You can now access this template anytime you need to send an email quickly by simply going to the Compose section and selecting your template from the Templates menu. With your templates ready to go, you're now equipped to manage your email correspondence more efficiently. Feel free to create as many templates as you need, tailoring each one for different needs or recurring messages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify your Gmail experience.